So smart manufacturing is automation within the factory industry.
Smart manufacturing is an event that really encompasses all of industrial type sector of the market.
It's all about manufacturing under one roof.
You know, you can have people from factory type line manufacturing to shipbuilding to maintenance and inspection. It really encompasses everyone within an industrial environment.
Over the years, the show has changed very considerably from something which is quite primitive, but with a huge amount of interest to something which is now much a bigger establishment.
The customers that come here range from, you know, apprentices to engineers to asset managers to the CEOs of the companies. So it's a very good event to come to from our point of view, because we get to meet everyone from, you know, users of our equipment to key stakeholders that and key decision makers within the companies that we deal with.
This is the first time we've done the show in a good few years. For us, it's about getting our products, our new solutions, our IoT system out.
I believe that these types of shows are really, really helpful. It gives us an opportunity to meet in a sort of a neutral area amongst your competition and stand up and show how good you actually are. And I've been successful over the years where I've done some of my largest deals started here.
What I like about the show is, busy or quiet, the quality of the people you meet is exceptional.
Yesterday we took about 40 leads. Today I think we've taken even more. So obviously we'll qualify them when we get back into the company, but I mean that seems like a success to me.
I think the show's been a really, really good success. I think the stand has brought in a lot of attraction, a lot of people have come over. I think it's really stood out from everybody else. There's a lot of blue and white here, and I think the RedZone stand really makes an impact. Quadrant to Design got the brief of, we need something stand out. It has to emulate the American football pitch. It has to incorporate the client's brand or the RedZone brand. And I think they absolutely nailed that. We did go through quite a few iterations of the floor. Obviously it's a square and a football pitch isn't a square, but we did it, we got there, so yeah, it was really good. Again, I think that gives us really good standout. The whole theme behind the company is based off the American football pitch, obviously the RedZone. We're a bit dubious as to whether that would sort of come across in the UK, but again, it's been a really good hit. It's a talking point for people, so yeah, I think it's been really good. Definitely the rotating light box. I think that is amazing. I haven't really seen anybody else with them, and I think it has really made a difference to the stand this year.
So motion control, we do all sorts of components and products for the automation industry. Obviously the stand was designed with our marketing team, with you guys, and it's come out absolutely perfectly. It's turning heads. We've been very, very happy with the design. We turned up, it was all spectacular, and you know, where you guys have been so forthcoming with the design work, I think we've done a very good job alongside you guys with representing what we needed to show on the stand here. And we've already agreed to come back next year, and we've agreed to extend the stand by 2 meters as well, so we're going to be coming up with some more designs with you guys. Already got it up here, so this wall, which is fantastic, we're going to move it over there, extend this down, and then we've got a new wall design to go there.
We are a UK-based ERP author, which is Enterprise Resource Planning Software. We wanted to be seen quite quickly as soon as people came in. We wanted people to know that we were here. The stand's fantastic, looks really, really good. It's been quite impressive. We had loads of compliments on it. Lots of people saying how striking it is, how good a position it is, and with the position for where we are, how it draws people. There's some really good features on the stand. especially the QR codes. I think my favourite part is the table in the middle. It's got a central focus to the stand, and you've got the QR codes on the side. I like the archways at the back as well. It kind of makes it feel like it's enclosed whilst there's still a very open space. Lots of people have said how good the stand is. I've actually spoken to some competitors who've complimented us on our stand as well. I think we're very pleased with how it's come out. The stand's perfect this year.
Our stand with Megger, they're always quite brilliant. The stand builders are exceptional every time. Yeah, from the information that's put on with our wording to being able to scan your QR codes and the space we have to put our equipment. Yeah, no, it's a very good stand here. Very good size. Yeah, we like it. Good messaging from our key points for our industrial reliability products to our general messaging for our industrial segment as a whole, from testing to analytics. Definitely the front with the circling M is the place to be. It's where the customers come to, it's where we're able to interact with them and showcase equipment.
Elecosoft is the company which owns the products which are Shire Systems and PMAC, and we are what we call computerized maintenance management software systems. I think this stand has been quite good this year. It's got our branding and colours and things like that which are relevant to us as Shire Systems and as PMAC. So it's important that we manage both of those elements within it, and our customers know our colours and things like that, so it's putting a message about what we do as best we possibly can. We're really pleased with what we have, so that's the most important thing. In the past we've had stand where customers have walked past us, didn't recognise us, and that's not good, so this is why this is a considerable improvement.
The reusability was basically a priority point for us when we were choosing who we were going to use to do the stand show. Previously we've had to redo and redesign and rebuild fresh stands every time, so the fact that we have a base stand and then we just adapt it to each show we go to, so if one needs to be smaller we can bring it in, if it needs to be bigger we can just add blocks onto it, and the fact that then we just use it over and over and it's just stored with you guys has been amazing. Sustainability is a big thing. I think you don't want to have to continuously buy and waste, and we do a lot of events like they're core to what RedZone do, so that's where we get a lot of our customers, so the fact that we have one that we can just reuse and adapt all the time is amazing.
The modular aspect of it is so key because we have such a diverse product range. Being able to swap out a wall with product it's integral to what we need to do, otherwise we'd be too static. Our product range will develop, will change, and we're always forward thinking, so new products will come out, we need to be able to put them up and show them off, so the modular aspect is key.
We knew that we were going to be attending events like this very often, or at least once a year for this size anyway, so it was having something that we weren't having to pay for every single year, and it was reusable, and again having that we knew whether a design had worked or not, and then we could go from there for the next show.
And being able to have something which is consistent with its messaging, its branding, its colours, that you can reuse easily for 2 or 3 years, and not just at this show, but if need be elsewhere, depending on what we actually do. Either of the product elements of our company can actually use the same stand.
The collaboration between the quadrant to design team, the agency and the client was just seamless. And I mean, they knew we wanted something quite standout. They've been super accommodating with everything we've done. We've done a couple of shows and each time we've just tweaked, we've gone back with feedback. And yeah, they've been great. I mean, the installation team were a dream. Like, they absolutely smashed it. We had a few issues with the event location, and they just sorted it straight away, no stress. It was amazing.
I have been quite heavily involved actually. Yeah, the process has always been great. The communication's always been really good as well between our company and yourselves, and we've been involved the whole way.
It's been so smooth. It's been so smooth. It's been brilliant. Couldn't recommend highly enough. The marketing teams had no problems. Everything that they suggested was implemented. Obviously, being around the corner, we could come down, see the stand built, see exactly what we're getting into. So it was incredible.